This Claude Cowork automation finds 10,000 potential clients every single month from YouTube, fully automated. It finds creators and businesses in your market that have a YouTube channel. It extracts your email and contact details, emails every single one of them, and follows up with everyone who does not reply, and tracks everything in a live dashboard. And unlike cold emailing random lists of people, every single person and business on YouTube, they specifically list their email address to receive business inquiries. So they are highly qualified leads that want to be contacted if you have a solution that can benefit them. If you sell a service for $1,000 and close just 1%, that's 100 new clients or $100,000 a month. Even at a 0.1 close rate, that's still $10,000 a month in extra revenue. In this video, I'll show exactly how to build this from scratch, even if you've never built any automated workflow with Claude Cowork before. I'll also break down exactly how much it costs and how you can get the first few hundred highly qualified leads for free. The first thing you need to do is to download Claude Desktop if you haven't already, and then we're going to open it. And then here at the bottom left, you see you need a pro account. That's the lowest paid plan to use Claude Cowork. And then here we're going to create a new project under projects. Here click create new project, start from scratch. We call it YouTube leads. Let's just call it demo. Click create. Now we use a project versus a normal standard chat because in a project you can set custom instructions that are valid and control everything you do inside this workflow. You see any scheduled tasks that run automatically in this project, and you also see all the files you have on the computer based on this project. So you can store files, access files throughout the project. It makes it so much easier than just using a standard chat. Next, we need the project instructions here. We need to tell it, okay, what should it look out for in this project, in our workflow, what should it do and what tools should it use, and how should it perform the different processes. So I have a project instructions developed here inside my Claude Cowork systems library, where you can get access to by clicking the first link below this video, which gives you access not just to Claude Cowork automations, but to many more automations. So please check it out if you want to automate more tasks and processes in your business or yourself. Now here are the project instructions. A few placeholders I need to fill in, like my name, the email address, the niches I want to target, the keywords like your ideal clients that you want to find on YouTube, and the subscriber counts, then my offer. And there are also a few rules like how I should write my emails, and also different pieces of the project tasks, how it should perform certain tasks to avoid mistakes. And I've already prepared my instructions here, filled out all the placeholders, and then I will just copy that and paste it in here. Click save. Now we also have set these maximal number of channel or leads it should get us set to 10 because we want to test it right now. And once you've tested and set up the process and it works, then we can scale it up to get us more channels. To scrape those leads from YouTube, we need to connect Claude to a new tool that is here. It's called Apify. This is like a library or like an app store for scraping tools, where you have 30,000 different scrapers that can extract any information from any website. Like we have Google Maps, TikTok scraper, Instagram scraper, even from Amazon, Facebook posts, and for us, YouTube. And we need to give Claude access to that. So you can sign up for a free account, and which gives you $5 in credits, which is more than enough to get like 100 leads or a few hundred leads actually. And to connect it, we go here under connectors, and you go to the plus button, click on browse connectors, and then you connect Apify. Search for Apify, click on it, click install, and then you will be directed to some sort of form where you need to enter your API key from Apify. Let's go back to Apify. Here we go to settings. We go to API and integrations, and here is an API token. So you can just copy that and paste it in here and click save, and then make sure this is switched to always allow for both of them. Good. That's all you need to do with that. Now Claude Cowork can access Apify for us, find the actor, like the scraping tool that it needs to use to scrape the details from our YouTube channels, and Now the next step is to actually scrape the leads. So Apify is connected. Now I want to use this prompt here to scrape the first batch of leads. Just copy that. And now we paste it in here and click run. Okay, so it has run for me, and I see for the keyword solopreneur, it ran a small search. So it found like 15 leads and only 2 had email contacts. So then I just told it should try to find a new search term for my niche that may get more emails. I see in the second run, it tried a few different keywords, and here it listed out which keyword yielded the most emails. We see here automation tools, it had 27, we have 33%. So yeah, it recommends I use AI automation tools, and this could yield me a better lead result rate. So this is how I need to optimize it. But for now, I just want to say save the newly found leads to the sheet, the leads sheet. And while it's running, we're going to move to the next step, because now we have the leads. Next, we want to send emails out and contact those leads. For that, I have just one prompt, right, that connects any email inbox, business inbox, to Claude. And here we need to enter my email address, my password, and my email provider. So my email is actually this, sponsors@furbymarket.com. My provider, and this, it's called private email. This is where I pay money that I can get my email inbox hosted. So, and then I will enter my password. It's the same password I used to log in here into my inbox. Now it has run, my emails inbox was connected, and it also pulls out the emails and it gives you a confirmation message. I'm not showing it because it contains my password. Now we can send out the emails in the next step. So let me go to the next piece here, which is send and my first outreach email. Let's go on here. Let's click copy and paste this in here. I'm not going to click enter yet, because what I want to do first, I want to change the email addresses. So I want to switch it out with my own emails. So I click on YouTube leads sheet, and then I click on show in folder. And then I will make a copy. Just copy that, and then I want to open it and then just put in my own email addresses instead. So I receive the emails and I can check if I'm getting the correct emails. So click OK, a few of these email addresses, and then just pick a random one. Maybe I pick here this one, I put in one of my emails, gmail.com. And let's pick also that one here. Good. Then I will save it again. And now I go back. And before I submit it, I will say, this is a test. This is a test. And you see in the sheet, I put in some of my test emails. And then click on send. Okay, let's check. We see the emails were sent. I go to my email inbox. Here I see email number 1. This is email number 2. Perfect. Now I want to here also reply to one of these emails. So I can say, yeah, yes, I would be interested, because I also want to track replies and check replies in the next step. So now I've replied to one, and now I want to go to this check reply prompt, which checks replies after 4 days. If you have sent out an email and after 4 days they have not replied, it will send a follow-up email. So you don't have to do anything. It follows up automatically. And this can increase the number of people you get that are interested in what you offer. And also here I will say, this runs on the same test emails. Okay, let's check. Okay, 2 were sent. It was skipped because the 4-day wait was not met. Okay, I need to tell it. Send the follow-up and ignore the 4 days limit for now, as I need to test the follow-up sending. Let's see, let's check again. Go back in here, and now I should see, as you see, the follow-up message, right? This is what a person would receive if they haven't replied after 4 days. Now the 4 days are actually set inside the prompt. So if you want to have it like more days or less days, you can just change this here. Now let's move to the next step. It's to build our dashboard. We want to put it all together. I don't want to constantly open the spreadsheet and see how many leads were scraped today, how many were contacted, who did reply, who didn't reply. But I want to see it all in an online dashboard, and that's why I have this prompt for. So click submit. It has completed. Let's check out the dashboard. Let's open it in Chrome, click allow, and there we see it. It has scraped 13 channels. It has 2 with email. Yes, because it still has my own emails in them, right? So what I would do, I would go back now. Here I would delete this one because this was my test where I had my test emails, and then I can basically use that again. I will say I have updated my YouTube leads sheet and added the original emails back. So please re-update my dashboard with the correct emails from the scraped leads, and then it will pull back in here the original email addresses I have, right? And then here, this is just, you see how it looks like, right? This is how many emails you have gotten from those scraped leads, how many emails were sent, how many replies have you gotten, the reply rate, the follow-up sent, who were not contacted, and then your lead list. So it looks very basic. You could modify it if you want to add more sections to it, but for me, that's good enough. And what I want to do right now, I want to schedule that, because now I want it to automatically run each day to find me new leads, contact them, check replies, send follow-up messages. All of that should be done. And that's why I use this for. This basically automates everything we have done so far. It scrapes the lead, checks replies, sends outreaches, rebuilds the dashboard, and even sends you a summary each day. It should run every day at 8 a.m. So I keep this running. Let's go back to my project in here and just click submit. Let's click on schedule task, and then it should set this up for us. You see, it has been done, and it explains what it does again. And if I go to my project, you see now it has a scheduled task. I can click on it, and there you see this, that every day it gets me 10 new results per keyword. Now you could change the keywords. You can click on edit it here, right? You can change it, or if you want to scale it after you have run it for a week, you can even try to scale the results, maybe go to 30 results per keyword or 50 or 100 a day, and you can add more keywords and so on, and then you can scale it up, right, until you get like 10,000 new leads every month. But this requires some testing. So this is switched on. Now let's go back. Here is your project. Then you click on here, and let's go back in here. It has updated my dashboard. Let's click open it, and here you see it. Yeah, it has updated it with the new leads. Let's briefly talk about the cost. How much does it cost us to run this system? Well, to scrape around 1,000 channels, I can see in Apify it cost me like 8 cents to scrape 15 channels. So that's like $5 for almost 1,000 channels. So even on the free plan, like which gives you $5 in credits a month, you can scrape almost 1,000 channels, which gives you a few hundred emails depending what the channel to email rate is, right? So this is how you can set it. After you've run it a few times, you will see how many channels have listed the email address in your niche, and then you can modify this accordingly. So let's set it to maybe 60 or 60%. And then also these cost breakdown will change based off that. So here we have Apify cost for 100 leads. It's just around $1. For 1,000 leads, it's $8. And then if you want to scale it to 10,000 leads, that would cost us around $88. And here you can set your service price. So if you sell a service for $2,000, your close rate is 1%. And yeah, then you can add other costs you might have to run the system. And then you get for each of these different volume levels. So for 1,000 contacts and a close rate of 1%, that would be $20,000 a month. Here you would have like $100,000 a month, even if you go lower, right, at the lower end, maybe 0.5% close rate, that still gives you relatively high revenue and return of investment, given you only pay a few dollars for Apify to scrape your leads. So that's why this could be a very highly profitable lead generation automation. Now let's briefly talk about how you would scale this, right? The end goal would be maybe getting up to 10,000 leads a month after you've tested it, and there's a few levels you can pull. You can increase the results per keyword that we have set in my scheduled task section. So the scheduled task is here. The results per keyword, you find it here, right? Results per keyword, you can change that here. Then you can add more keywords, right? You could here more search terms. You could add more here in that might work better for your niche or find you more. And so you can rotate through them. You can lower the subscription floor. This means here we have limited the minimum subscriber of each YouTube channel should be like 1,000. So based on how low you set it, you get more YouTube channels, right? And you can test that out. And then you could also add different niches. So different categories, totally different keywords could also work. And yeah, that's how you could scale it up slowly and always monitoring your results in your dashboard. And then you can set a bookmark so you have the YouTube leads dashboard open and you see all the leads that were contacted and scraped every single day. And with that, the entire setup is complete. If you want to see more videos like this, where I show you how I built these highly effective AI-powered systems and automations, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos.